Hey guys, it's me, Access Lauren, and welcome back. Today I'm super excited because Christmas came early this year. I got my December Boxycharm in the mail, and I'm super excited to dig in, check everything out, try everything on. So let's not waste any time. Let's just jump right into it. Okay, so this month's theme is Boxycharm Whimsy. So the first item that we have is called the Seraphine Botanicals, forgive me if I'm butchering this name, Daikon+Dreams Lip Exfoliator with Radish Extract. This product I'm super excited to try because I don't know about you guys, but it's cold out here in the D and my lips are always chapped these days. So any kind of lip treatments, exfoliants, I'm super excited to have. So this product, it says it is 100% plant-based and vegan. No gluten, based with avocado, apricot, chia seed, and hypoallergenic amongst a whole bunch of other things on here. So it sounds really cool. And you're supposed to take your, I guess, ring finger, squirt it a little bit on your finger, and kind of just like scrub it around for a little bit. It smells so good. It almost seems like I should eat it. What? I'm just gonna be on the safe side and kind of just wipe it off with a napkin. All right. It feels good. It feels like my lips are kind of getting swollen. It feels nice. Ooh, it looks like it might be a lip plumper. All right. So this product retails for $24. The lip exfoliator, so super excited to have this. Okay, so our next product is called Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. It says it is the Alaskan Glacier water envelops the skin with refreshing moisture, hydrating Iceland moss extract helps to soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. This is so nice, so pretty. This is one of those choice options that we had where I chose a moisturizer because I like, the older I get, the more I'm concerned with my skincare, even more so than makeup, because if you have really great skin, your makeup's gonna go on even better. It's gonna apply better. So this is the Waterfall Glacier Cream. It looks so cute. It also does say that it is dermatologist tested, no parabens, sulfates, synthetic fragrance, or synthetic colors. So I'm super happy about that. So I'm gonna try this on. So I'm gonna take some of that and kind of just apply. So I actually really love the way my face feels. I can definitely tell a difference. It feels just, I don't know, it feels like really youthful. It does feel like it has something else in here besides whatever the regular moisturizers have. So this product, it retails for $39. Okay, so our next product is the Brow Bar True Brow Makeover Kit. And this, it says that it comes with 2 long-wearing brow shades, a brightening brow lift, sculpting mascara gel, and an angled brush and a flat brow brush. So let's dig right in here and see what this is all about. I like the packaging too. Ooh, it's really cute. So this is what it looks like. I'm trying not to let it fall out. Really cute. Okay, looks 100% better for sure. Okay, Let's try out the brow gel and hopefully it'll keep everything in place. That's good. So the Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit, it retails for $30. Okay, so our next product is by Storybook Cosmetics. It's the Fairytales collection, and this one is Robin Hood. I am super excited to have this because my other palettes that I've been receiving, it's been like a lot of reds and shades of like siennas and things like that, and I really wanted something different this month, and I got this palette, so I'm super excited about it. Again, this is gonna push me out of my comfort zone. I don't have anything like this in my collection. The shades are Maid Marian, Quiver, Nottingham, Forest, Merry Men, and Robin Hood. So I'm super excited to try these out and try to create a whimsical look for this month's theme. Okay, so the first shade I'm gonna take is Nottingham, and I'm gonna just lay that just a little bit as maybe a transition shade. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of Quiver. Next, I'm gonna take Merry Men and kind of just Okay, so this is my finished eyeshadow look using the Fairytales Storybook Cosmetics Robin Hood palette. They have some very stunning metallics. I really love the metallics that they have. You can see the glitter is really chunky and nice. The color you can see really bright. The pigment is great. I really do like it. This palette retails for $35. Alright, so our next product is by Ciate, I believe, London. It says it is a marbled light illuminating blusher. So this I'm gonna put on. I don't normally use blushes, but like I said, they have been forcing me to get out of my comfort zone, so let's just go ahead and get right into it. It's really pretty. Love packaging. Ooh. You know what? I don't use blush. I don't even know how to use it. I'm a bronzer type of chick. I just go ahead and just give me some like bronzing color, and then that's it. Alright, here we go. Ooh, oh my gosh. That's pretty. It makes me feel like youthful and supple. Okay, let's do the other side. Oh, I love it. It is really pretty. I feel like I get nervous and scared of blush because people kind of overdo it. So I feel like as long as I stop now and don't overdo it, it'll be pretty. This product retails for $26. I really do feel radiant adding this blush. Like I said, so happy that I got this. Okay guys, so this is my completed look using December's Boxycharm. Hopefully I'm hashtag whimsy. I tried my best. So honestly, I said last month's box was my favorite, but this might be my favorite. I don't know. I had a lot of fun. This almost felt like it was customized for me. Literally every single item that was in here was what I wanted. I'm so happy about it. So if you want to get your hands on a monthly Boxycharm, I will have some information listed in the description box below. Feel free to like my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, comments, concerns, suggestions, feel free to leave them all. I get back with everybody. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias, my IG at @AccessLauren, and I think that's it. And hopefully I'll see you guys next time for January's Boxycharm, and I'm super excited about that because that's my birthday month. So, and that was so stupid. All right, guys. Happy holidays. See you next time.